Okay. What's up, you guys? Today I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I will be slaying this wig from Ula Hair. They sent me over a HD wig, deep wave, and it's very full, and the lace is very melty. There's not much parting space on the sides of the wig, but there's a lot of room in the middle of the wig. So today we're going to be doing a half up, half down ponytail. Now, because my client is a lighter complexion, I didn't really have to go in with any lace tint to blend this lace with her skin, but because I'm just obsessed with that scalpy effect, I went in and I sprayed my Tailored Crowns lace tint on, and I also even went in with a little foundation, like a smidge, just to get that exact match. But let's say my client was my skin color, I would definitely go in with lace tint and even foundation, just so the halo effect wouldn't be there. This step is the most underrated step in a wig process. A lot of people like to just go in with alcohol and then place their glue on the skin. Alcohol is too harsh to just clean the skin with that and then go in with glue. Your install won't last and your skin will be irritated. You have to go in after you clean the skin with skin protectant. It's a very important step and it can't be skipped. So as you guys can see, I'm spreading that glue out as thin as possible so that it can dry clear. The more thin and even coat you put on the skin, the stronger your hold will be. I love my bolt hold. It does not play any games, but if you apply it wrong, you won't get the best results. So make sure you apply thin, even coats and you use that skin protecting, girl. You guys, I haven't even cut the lace off, and I can't even tell where it's at. This is Oola hair, y'all. I'm telling y'all that HD lace is the truth. Get into this zoom action, baby. I cannot make these results up. Okay, that is HD, not DH. this is the final product. Not brr. Once again, this wig was from Ula Hair. This is the HD Lace Deep Wave wig. If you want to go purchase it, I will put all the info in the bio. As you can see, she's slayed and laid. We did something different with the half up. We added 3 braids just to be different, and it came out so cute, period. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Slayed by Matthew, and like, comment, share, and subscribe.